Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the award-winning Hape all-in-one wooden kids art easel, a versatile and creative tool designed to inspire young artists. This cream-colored, all-in-one art toy features a double-sided easel with a blackboard on one side and a magnetic whiteboard on the other, making it perfect for painting, writing, or drawing. The easel comes with a refillable paper roll conveniently attached at the top, allowing for quick and easy access to endless drawing possibilities. Included with the easel are 3 paint pots and holders, ensuring that your little one has everything they need to unleash their creativity. One of the standout features of this easel is its adjustable height, ranging from 37.5 to 43.5 inches, making it suitable for children as they grow. With dimensions of 18.9 inches in length, 15.9 inches in width, and 41.8 inches in height, this easel is compact yet spacious enough for artistic exploration. Encourage your child's imagination and artistic skills with the Hape all-in-one wooden kids art easel, a perfect addition to any playroom or classroom. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.